I think it's time. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my room tour video ever since a month ago when the poll ended. But I was in Florida for a week, so... Oh, wow. I was not able to do that, and my room was completely messed up, but now it's completely finished, and it is all clean, and now I can finally post this video. So, right now you're looking at my door, which has a no trespassing sign, or authorized personnel only, whatever, and the FACP sign, which stands for Fire Alarm Control Panel, which is the fire alarm system that's in my room. And we also got some other stickers on there, which I might remove, and I think that's pretty much it. But now, let's go ahead and go inside and showcase what I have inside my room, which most videos have been showcased, like the fire alarm videos, where I do monthly testing, the Nest Protects, and, on, like, those unboxing videos, so let's go ahead and get started now. Alright, we're inside. This is what most of my room looks like. Let's go ahead and start in the closet this time. So over here, I have a train clock, a painting that I drew when I was little, but it's still sitting there. We also have a new sign from Tennessee, the Railroad Valley of Chattanooga, right next to the fire alarm system. And in the closet's pretty much all clothing. We also have some model trains in there, which is HO and N scale. This stuff is for like Nerf stuff. We got a chessboard, we have gel busters, we got RC plane, and some sleeping stuff over there. Over here's my luggage for when I go on vacation. And over there is an N scale set and a flight yoke and throttle system, which I'm probably gonna use one day, but we'll see. That's pretty much it for the closet. I also got this custom hanger that I don't really use, so I just put it for decoration. Over here is the fire alarm system. And I'm just realizing we never did monthly testing on this, so we might as well do that right now, even though it's close to July. But instead of actually pulling the alarm and letting the alarm sound off, we're going to do a walk test and keep it silent. So we go to programming, walk test, and then we're going to press 1 for silent, and then we're just going to view, here, let's do, nope, there we go. And then we can showcase the events and walk test. And yes, I have keys in every single one because I don't have a spot for the keys yet. So let's start by pulling the BG10. We never really started with that in a while. So now the system's an alarm, but all the horn strobes did not sound off. And it is an alarm, but for some reason the annunciator doesn't update. Only the fire alarm system does. So let's go and reset the pole, which will stay an alarm until I close it. And now it goes out. I also have an annunciator. I'm not going to do the drill button because I think it might sound all the alarms. This horn will test in July we'll see. Let's do BG12 now. We'll look at the alarm thingy. And it's pulled. And then once I pull the switch up or close it, then it'll stay out of alarm. And obviously if I pull it down again, then the light will go back on. I'm gonna leave the keys in. So let's view points, all points tested. And we can view our summary, tested and untested. So yeah, walk test is pretty much done. So that's pretty much that. And just a reminder, this is a BG12, this is a BG10, LCD 80. This is a Benjamin Signals horn. I forgot the model number of this. We have an exit sign, emergency light, 2 system sensor, Spectre Alert Advanced. These are the low frequency sounders. These are the P2RH low frequency sounders. Over here is my dresser, and I do have a fire extinguisher from one of those Christmas Eve events. And yeah. Over here is the big collection of Nerf guns I have. It is pretty big, so we got like ones that are hanging on the side. We have this Arsenal one. We have this tiny one right here, this Rival, and a lot more. Over here is actually a mini fire alarm system, which is currently not working. It includes a Simplex 4250-120 and 2 Wheelock ASs on the side. It's an old toy that I used to have. And this LCD is programmed like a fire alarm system. So if this is pulled, which I won't do because I don't have the keys for it, then it'll say zone 1 alarm, and then these two would sound off code 3. The yellow is silence, and then this one is to reset the system, and then this one's actually a drill button. But we're not going to demonstrate that because it's no longer working. Because once I pulled the alarm, it didn't go off, including the drill buttons and the reset switch. Because it went off in the middle of the night, and they unplugged it, so it broke the system. Over here is my bed. It's kind of messed up, but yeah, that's pretty much that. Over here, this drawer, we're not going to reveal drawers because I don't want to expose. Over here is my primary desk where I upload videos and stuff. We have a arcade keyboard. So, and we also have a Roblox mouse pad. So, there we go. And we have a tablet holder. Over here's my TV if I get bored. On the side is pretty much the wall of cars. So yeah. Over here I have a train curtain, and my air conditioner's plugged in. It's temporarily off because I don't want it to be running while I'm filming this video. So yeah. Over here on this wall, we have a Punta Cana sword, a 3D printed Federal Signal 450D, and we also have a 3D printed fire extinguisher light and a fire alarm light switch. Over here on my nightstand, I have a Norwegian Cruise Line display. We also have these hourglasses. They're time clocks, whatever. Like this one's 15, these ones are 10, 5, 3, and this one's 30. We have an RC helicopter and some drones over here. The main one is in the middle, and I will show you. If you ever heard of Harry Potter before, you might know what this is. At my trip to Universal, I got myself a wand, which actually works only at Universal. It doesn't work at home though, but you can do stuff with it. This is my wand. This thing costed, I think, $75 at Universal at the Florida one. And I thought it looked really cool, so I got it myself. And it actually worked with certain points, which was really nice. Let me put this back in the box. I still need a 3D print a shelf for that, but yeah. Over here in this box, in a second. So this is an entire map of the Universal's Harry Potter. We had a train station over here, and there's certain points in this map that have numbers, which is where you can use the wand and make the thing activate. We got a bank over here. We also have a train station, which I could not ride because it was a park pass only. We have a little train bridge up here. I think actual trains go over this. I don't know. And we have another point at the regular Florida stuff, or Universal. I don't know where this place is. I think it's underneath somewhere, but yeah. On the other side, it showcases the Islands of Adventure and the Epic universe. So, yeah. Over here is the Hogwarts school, I think. Because I did watch the movie yesterday. Because I was interested in it. And we have... I don't really know what this city is, but it's something. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this map. Oh, wait. It says right here. The Hogsmeade Aid. Sorry. And this one is Dragon Alley, which is really nice. Alright, let me go and put this back in the box so I don't lose it, because I really like this wand. I still need a wand holder for it. Kind of looks like a fan. Alright, let's go and close the box back up. I think it shows the name. Yeah, it shows the name on top. Oh, wait, no, that's the place I got it. Ollie Wanders. So, that's... I don't know what wand this is, but... Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what this wand is named. It's been a while since I went. It's been... I don't know. We just went to Universal this month, so we visited all 4 parks. The regular Universal Studios Florida, Epic, which just opened 2 weeks when we got there, and we visited Islands of Adventure, and my personal favorite, Volcano Bay, since it's technically a water park. What else? Oh, the light switch. I 3D printed this light switch, which is a Frankenstein light switch, which looked really nice, but there's one problem. Pull this on, the lights don't turn on. And the reason why, I'm guessing I'm gonna have to show you. I broke my closet light while cleaning this. So it's no longer working because I broke it and I can't unscrew it out, so I'm gonna have to get someone to help me. Below the fire alarm system and the shelf, which has a real federal signal 450D on here, which is my middle school's fire alarm. And you can see the comparison to it. It looks pretty real. This one's the real one, that one's the fake. But I really like this one. Maybe if I know how to do wiring, then I'll probably install it on this system. But we'll see what happens. And the fridge is pretty much drinks and... yeah, that's just drinks. I think that's it for the room tour video. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a like. If you didn't, go ahead and give me a thumbs down, because my channel is basically dead at this point. So, we already did June testing, so don't worry about that. But it was just a silent test, so we pretty much never sounded off the alarms. So this one we will test next month, which is in July. We might be busy in July because of July 4th, which is Independence Day. So just be aware of that. But anyways, I will see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Comment if you have any ideas. And I will see you in the next video in 7 days, I think. Alright, see ya. Oh, and by the way, the next video is gonna be, it's gonna be, I don't know. It's gonna be a Roblox video, but I'm just not sure. Maybe I might do some studio work or whatever. Or we'll see. But anyways, like and subscribe, comment if you have any ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.